Shiftee is a full-featured staff management application built right into your WordPress dashboard. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what you can do with Shiftee. First, I'll show you what it's like to use Shiftee as a staff member. Your staff can do everything they need to do from the front end of the website. They don't have to log into the dashboard. I should also note that Shiftee works with any WordPress theme, so it might look a little bit different on your website, but the functionality will be the same. Staff can view the master schedule showing everyone's shifts week by week. If there are shifts that aren't assigned to anyone, staff can choose to take those shifts. You can also make a page that just shows all of the unassigned shifts that are available for people to take. There's also a view for your schedule. This will just show the shifts assigned to the staff member who is viewing the page. And there's also a view that shows them the shifts they're scheduled to work today. When a staff member views a shift that is assigned to them on the day it is scheduled to be work, they will see a Clock In button. And once they have clocked in, they'll see a Clock Out button. Shiftee can also record the location where people clock in and out in case you have remote workers. If your staff ever do work outside of their scheduled shifts, there's a form that lets them record the work they do. And they can also report their expenses. They can report mileage or other expenses, and if they have a receipt, they can upload the receipt. So that's what it's like for your staff to use Shiftee. Now let's take a look at what it's like for admins to use Shiftee in the WordPress dashboard. Staff can create and edit shifts. Shifts can be connected to locations and to staff and to jobs. You can record the scheduled start and stop times, and then once your staff have clocked in and out, those times will be recorded here. You can also record the location where staff clock in and out. And you can send an email to staff when you create or edit the shift if you want them to receive an email notification about the changes. Shiftee includes bulk editing capabilities, so if you have a shift that repeats on a regular basis, you can edit all instances of that repeating shift. Shiftee will also check for scheduling conflicts, so you don't have to worry about double booking any of your staff. Creating shifts one at a time can be tedious, so Shiftee has a bulk shift creator that lets you create a bunch of shifts all at once. You can assign them to as many staff members as you need, and they can repeat as often as you need. Shiftee will also check for scheduling conflicts with the bulk shift creator. There's a filter shifts page that makes it easy to find shifts within, say, a given date range or assigned to certain staff or locations. So this makes it easier to find the shifts you need. And there's also a page for filtering expenses. The scheduled versus worked report compares shifts' scheduled times to the times that they were actually worked. Shiftee also includes a payroll report that lets you calculate your staff's earnings. So those are the features that come with Shiftee. There are also add-ons for Shiftee that give you even more useful features, so you can go to shiftee.co to learn more. You can also sign up for our newsletter to get updates about our new features.